waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. Before getting into the video, let me tell you, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, do subscribe. Hit the red color button which is subscribe, and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that as well so that whenever I posted a new video you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. Today I have created this look. You can carry this look with any western outfit or any Indian outfit. Right now I'm wearing this with an Indian outfit, a western outfit, because I'm not wearing any dupatta with this. It's a long suit, so I am wearing this Maang teeka as well. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So starting with a set of a lotion, just going to hydrate my face very well and my neck area too. Now I'm taking this Freedom Pro primer, I'm taking it onto my fingers, warming it up a little bit and putting it onto the areas where I have pore problems in a dabbing motion. Don't swipe the primer if you're putting it onto the pore areas. Now I'm just running the spoolie onto my eyebrows so that I can see where I have to give in the shape and where I have to fill in my eyebrows. And now I'm started filling my eyebrows from the mid to end and then coming to the front part. And I always show you the difference, like when you fill in your eyebrows and you don't fill in your eyebrows. It makes a huge difference. And now I'm taking this green color corrector from Krylon. It's just going to cancel out the red areas, like wherever I have acne pop outs, they are red right now, so it's just going to cancel out that color. And now I'm taking this orange color corrector. It's just going to cancel out the dark areas like dark circles or pigmentation, dark spots, or corner of my mouth. Wherever we have like dark areas, just going to cancel out that. And now I'm just going to blend it out the colored areas, because I don't want to put the concealer directly. Now I'm taking this pack concealer. It's a derma filler and I'm just going to put it onto the colored areas wherever I have put the color corrector, and somewhere on the area where I want some coverage I'm going to put it that way. And I'm just going to blend it out with the beauty blender, and this is from Morphe. It just blends out very beautifully, and I always take time while blending. As I always told you, blend, blend, blend. Blending is the mantra. And now I'm taking this NYX foundation. I'm just going to place it all over my face, obviously where I want a coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation, but yes, it's a buildable foundation. And I'm just going to blend that up. I always take a lot of time while blending, especially the concealer and the foundation. That's why I fast forwarded it. And I'm just going to send my under eye area, because this area tends to crease very quickly. So I'm just setting it with a translucent powder. And now I'm taking this sugar palette, and it has a bronzer, highlighter and a blusher. Beautiful combo. And I'm taking this angular brush and just going to take a bronzer on this and just going to bronze my line. As you can see from where I'm starting and where I'm ending, as you can see the line starting of the ear, ending of the corner of the mouth. Yes, and I'm just going to squeeze my nose a little bit because I have a big fatty nose. So I'm just going to bronze that up a little bit, as you can see with my fingers. And I'm taking a blush brush, a fluffier blush, and I'm just going to blush my cheeks with that. You can smile while putting the blush, it would help. And now I'm just going to highlight my face onto my cheekbones, and I'm just going to put it onto my bridge of the nose, cupid bows and chin area. And I'm just going to wiping out my dirty fingers with a wet tissue, and I'm just going to hydrate my lips. And now I'm setting the base with the BH Cosmetics setting spray. Yes, and I'm just going to dab it up with a beauty blender again. Oh, I go crazy whenever I see this eyeshadow palette. As you can see, this is from Jaclyn Hill Murphy, yeah. And what exactly I'm going to do is I'm just going to build up the colors like from the lightest shade to the darkest shade. As you can see, firstly I have done with the very lightest shade, which is equally to invisible, and then I'm taking the one shade darker and then one more darker. As it is, I think I have put 5 colors around, yes. And now I'm taking the dense brush and I'm just going to take a darkest color on that and putting it onto the outer V area of my eye, as you can see. Not going into the inner corners, just placing it onto the outer area. And also I'm just going to line that up wherever we like put the eyeliner. I'm not going to put any eyeliner, so that's why I'm just going to smudge that out with the darkest brown color onto that area. And now I'm taking a shading brush, this is from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to put the copper brown color onto the lid area. And now I'm taking a fluffier blending brush and I'm just going to cancel out the harsh edges. And now I'm taking a wet tissue and I'm just cancelling out the edges. As you can see, whatever the extra, I'm just going to clean that out. And now I'm just going to take a darkest brown color and I'm just going to put it under my waterline, just to get a smoky look. And I'm taking a fluffier brush and I'm just swiping out all the fallouts. And I'm just putting this eyelashes from PAC, which is in M72. Beautiful eyelashes. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners. And now I'm taking a white kajal and putting it onto my waterline, just to pop out my eyes, that's it. And now I'm taking this Party Queen lip pencil and I'm just going to fill that up my lips with this. And on the top of that I'm putting this NYC lip gloss. So this is it. Now I'm thinking what to do with my hairs. Should I leave it as it is or wow. Okay, so here is the final look, guys. Boom. So this is the final look that I carried, and as you can see, the eye makeup, this is a very subtle look, and I'm just not going to be so loud with the makeup. As you can see, not with the bronzer, not with the cheeks, as you can see, because I already wearing a dark brown color, so I want to go with a subtle look. And I'm wearing this Maang teeka as well. So this is it for today, guys. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.